Hello everyone, welcome to Apsc tutorials. Here I upload videos related to current affair and other topics for Apsc, UPSc, SSC, Bank, PO, etc. So subscribe and share the channel as much as possible. Today we'll discuss current affairs of 1st May 2020. So today is 1st of May. We celebrate 1st of May as May Day or Labor Day. So let's start the video. So these are the top 10 points of 1st May. Let's see the first point. On 30th of April, India celebrates Ayushman Bharat Divas. So this scheme, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, was introduced in the year 2018. So starting from then, India celebrates this day as Ayushman Bharat Divas. Next point, Delhi government has launched Delhi Fights Corona.in website. So this is a one-stop website where people of Delhi will be able to get all the information related to Corona. Next point, J. Arun Kumar is appointed as the head coach for USA national cricket team. So J. Arun Kumar was associated with the Indian national cricket team. Now he is appointed as the head coach for USA national cricket team. Recently on 27th of April, this news was confirmed by the authority of USA Cricket Association. Next point, Tripura government has decided to start neighborhood class to teach the students of Tripura government students of Tripura government schools. They have decided to start neighborhood classes. Next point, T.S. Trimurti is appointed as the next ambassador to United Nations. T.S. Trimurti belongs to the 1985 batch of IFS cadre, Indian Foreign Service cadre. Next point, Deepak Mittal is appointed as the new ambassador to Qatar. So these two are very fresh appointments by Government of India. T.S. Trimurti, next ambassador to United Nations, and Deepak Mittal, next ambassador to Qatar. Next point, scientists have announced that an ozone hole of an area of 10 lakh square kilometer was closed because of less pollution during COVID-19 period. Next point, Indian Health Minister has announced that rapid test kit to test COVID-19 will be manufactured in India after May 2020. So the Indian Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has recently announced that rapid test kits will be manufactured within India after May 2020. Next point, recently on 29th of April, an asteroid called asteroid 1998 OR2 has crossed planet Earth. This incident happened on 29th of April. So the name of the asteroid is asteroid 1998 OR2. Next point, on 29th of April, world celebrates International Dance Day. So these were the top 10 points of 1st May 2020. Thank you.